Barbecue Box would like to introduce to you our Pitmaster for August 2019, Richard Zabel. Today, Rich shows us his pork pizza, a favorite at his Brickhouse Barbecue and Grill.
We're gonna make a barbecue pork pizza using naan bread and our sauces and rubs. So I'm gonna teach you how to rub the pork tenderloin, then we'll throw it on the grill with the pecan chips. We'll smoke it till it pulls apart, and then we'll put it on the pizza. Cover the whole pork loin generously. You can also use mustard and then put it on. Some guys do that. Some guys use oil. But for the most part, we just generally just put the rub on. Just put it on all sides. You need it on pretty heavy. And we will take it out to the grill. Alright, so we're going to take the pork tenderloin now, put it on the drum. Or your grill, whichever one you want. We're going to grill it at 275, probably an hour and a half or so, and this should be ready, and it should pull at around 205 degrees, 195 to 205, somewhere in there. When it pulls apart, it'll be ready. And what I do is, I talked about putting it on indirect heat. So what I usually do is put them on the sides of the grill, over on the side away from the coals. You'd light like half of your grill and keep the other half full, off, and you would put it on the off side and just let it smoke. Same with the wings. I put them on, and then after I turned them, I put them on the indirect side so they weren't by the coals. So in an hour and a half or so, it'll be ready. It should be golden brown, and we'll a little bit of bark on it, and then we'll take it off and pull it and put it on the pizza. It's been a little over an hour and a half. The pork tenderloin is ready. It's running at right around 200 degrees. It's pulling. It feels like it's pulling pretty good, so we're going to pull it off and put it on the pizza. Okay, so we're going to make the barbecue pork pizza with pineapple on it, and start out with the honey mesquite barbecue sauce, and this is called a naan bread. You can use flatbread too. We really like the naan bread here, so take it, put your sauce all over it, and then we always put the pepper jack cheese on it first. Then we take the pork and we just pull it apart. And you just take it and pull it, and then you just take it, put it on your pizza. You can get some of that bark on there if you want, whichever way you like it. Then we put on the bacon, a little bit, the onions, and we put some 50-50 cheese, cheddar, and it's a Monterey Jack and a cheddar mixed together. And you can put a little bit more bacon on it if you want. It really is up to you what you want to put on it from there. Then we put pineapple on at the end. We just put it all around on here. We put a little bit more barbecue sauce on. Just drizzle it on the top. And you can put jalapenos on. It just depends if you like the heat or not. If you do, you just put a few on there. Then we stick it on this screen here. And you can use the screen, or you can just put it right on your grill grate, whichever one you want. We'll take it out and we'll cook it until it turns golden brown, and then we'll cut it and eat it. All right, now we're gonna put it on the grill. We wanna burn the wood chips down now. You really don't need the wood chips. You've already smoked the meat. I mean, if you get a little smoke on it, it's gonna be bad, but you wouldn't want it just full of smoke. We're gonna cook this until this pizza turns golden brown, the crust, and it'll be melting and it should be ready. You can either sit it right down on that grill grate, or you can do like this. We're just gonna sit it there and cook it. All right, so now the pizza is done, and we're gonna take it off and it'll be ready to eat. Just needs to be golden brown and melted a little bit.